Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Buffer, one of the most popular tools for scheduling and managing your social media content. Whether you are a solo creator, freelancer, or running a small business, let's dive right in. Buffer is a social media management platform that helps you schedule posts, track analytics, and manage all your accounts in one place. It supports platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. So, first of all, head over to buffer.com. And sign up for free. Click on Get Started Now. Just enter your email or you can use your Google account or sign up with an email like that. Enter your email, then create a strong password like that and click on sign up. That's it. Now, once you are in, you will land on the dashboard. Buffer has a free plan with limited features. For more accounts and analytics, check the paid plans. Now, next, connect your social media profiles. Click on Connect a Channel button and choose the platform like Facebook, page or group, Instagram for business, creator or personal, LinkedIn page or profile, Threads for profile, Blue Sky for profile, Twitter, etc. Now, I'm going to click on YouTube and log into your account with your credentials. Just follow the instructions on your screen and give the required permissions. Repeat this for each platform you want to manage. You can connect up to 3 channels in the free plan. Paid plans allow more. Just just choose your channel and click Finish Connections. Now let's create a post. Click New Post. Choose the platforms you want to post. Then type your content here. Add image from upload a video section. Then upload your photo or thumbnail or videos if needed. You can customize the post per platform by clicking each tab. Once you are ready, click Schedule Post. And select your date and time, or just click Add to Queue to let Buffer handle the timing. The publishing calendar is super handy. It gives you a visual layout of what's scheduled for the week or month. You can drag and drop posts to rearrange them. This is great for planning campaigns, maintaining consistency, and spotting gaps in your content. Buffer also provides insights. Click on the Analytics tab or click Engage to see how your posts are performing, likes, comments, shares, and more. This helps you figure out what content works best. Some analytics are only available on paid plans. So keep that in mind. If you are uh, if you are working in a team, Buffer lets you invite teammates, assign roles, and even set approval workflows. This keeps your content organized and avoids overlap. Don't forget the Buffer mobile app. It's available on iOS and Android. You can schedule, edit, and even get notifications to post manually on platforms like Instagram. Buffer recently added AI tools to help with writing captions, hashtags, and ideas. Look for the assistant button from your dashboard, like generate ideas, and enter your prompt here, then click generate ideas. Just like that. It's a time saver. And that's how you use Buffer for social media management. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more content like this, and drop any questions you have down in the comments. So, you in the next one. So, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.